And now also let me just comment a bit on the clasp itself. It's supposed to be sort of like a parachute deployment type clasp, I believe. So once again, you just go ahead and you push these two pieces here like that, and it just comes out. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this brand new Apple Watch Ultra band right here. This is Apple's Titanium Milanese Loop. And yes, in the past, they've had a magnetic Milanese loop made of stainless steel, but the difference in this one, besides just the material, is it's not magnetic. It's actually got a buckle that you pinch to release it. So I'm super excited to start using this guy. I actually had to wait so long to get this because I bought it on the day it came out. And it took Apple over a month to ship it to me. I guess it was so back ordered and I couldn't find it in stock in any stores. So yeah, the hype is definitely real. So without further ado, let's start opening it up. So on the front of this box, we've got a drawing of the band itself. Otherwise, it's a pretty simple box. And on the back, it does also note that it's a carbon neutral band. So let's go ahead and just pop it open and see what it's about. Over here, we have some instructions for installing it and putting it on. And then here we can slide out the band itself, which, spoiler alert, I will say does feel great to touch, but let's just pop it out of this. And voila, here it is. We've got some paper inside of it, and then we can take this little bit of plastic protecting clasp off. And now we are ready to put on my Apple Watch Ultra right here. So let me take it off and we can go ahead and pop my Ocean band off of this watch right here. And let's go ahead and pop the Milanese loop on. So you're going to want the end that goes looping around of this loop on the top of the Apple Watch. So put it in right here like that. And then over on the bottom, you're going to want the other end. And just before I put it on, I'll also note right here, this is kind of cool. It says titanium grade 5 on it. And just for reference, I did get the large size of this band. I went to the Apple store, which is why I waited till the day it came out to actually buy it, to try on a bunch of these, and I thought the large size would be the best fit for me. So now we've got it on. So to go ahead and actually open up this band, we can put these to the side. You squeeze right here, and let me see, boop, there we go. And now you can pull it out and make some room on your wrist for it. And then when you want to go ahead and close it, you just pull this nice and tight, and then loop it around. And then you're gonna wanna move this piece of the clasp down a bit so it can actually reach the other end. So let me get a reference of how long this is on my wrist. So I'm gonna want my clasp probably right about there. So to go ahead and actually move this clasp right here, what you're gonna wanna do is lift up this piece, and then you can go ahead and position it where you want it. So let me try to get a nice snug fit on my wrist. Now this is one disadvantage over the magnetic Milanese loop, because for that one you can really just clip it down wherever you want, because this piece is just a magnet that clips on everywhere rather than this big clasp. But obviously, you know, this band, the titanium version, is much more substantial and built for, you know, outdoor activities. Like for example, you can actually get this wet, it's waterproof, which I think is super cool. And let me see, let me move it up a bit right here. And I think this is a good snug fit like that. So I'll go ahead and pop that down, and boom, now I've got this watch all nice on my wrist. Check it out. So now let's talk a bit about first impressions of this watch band. I will say it definitely feels good on the wrist for me. I was already going into this purchase decision knowing that I have been a big fan in the past of Apple's Milanese Loop Apple Watch bands. So I'm definitely pleased with that. I also like how, you know, more substantial it looks here on the top. It's got some bigger meshes for sure than Apple's previous magnetic Milanese loop, so it definitely looks great with the Ultra. One thing I will note in regards to the sizing, like I said, I got a large titanium Milanese loop here, and I also tried on the medium one, and for the medium one, it felt like when, you know, I fully took it off like this and put the watch on and off of my wrist, it could barely fit through my hand when it was all extended like this. So I went with the large, but then I'll say with the large, one thing, as you've noticed, my clamp is over here on kind of the side of the watch, which, you know, I feel like, I don't know if this is true or not, but I feel like it might make more sense if the clamp was on the bottom. So maybe I'm just kind of in between sizes here. I don't know. It doesn't bother me that much that the clamp is on the side, but I do think it would probably look better if it was on the bottom. However, one benefit of the positioning of the clasp, at least on my wrist for this size, is, you know, theoretically, if I'm, let's say, typing here or resting my wrist on the table, at least the clasp itself won't be like banging on the table and get scratched, because that's one of my bigger pet peeves of, you know, metal watch bands is when they get scratched. I don't like scratches on my tech. So I guess that part is good. And now also let me just comment a bit on the clasp itself. It's supposed to be sort of like a parachute deployment type clasp, I believe. So once again, you just go ahead and you push these two pieces here like that, and it just comes out, which I think is pretty satisfying. And then to put it in, you just kind of stick it in here. And I will admit, there's a bit of a learning curve, right? I feel like right now, at least at first, it's not the most simple thing to do, just because obviously you only have one hand free to do it. But I'm sure over time it will get easier. But folks, I will say I'm happy with my purchase decision here to get this titanium Milanese loop band, because as of right now, the band I wear on my Apple Watch Ultra every day is the ocean band, either in this midnight color or in the orange color. So I'm excited to start wearing this one around every day, you know, see what people think of it. Me personally, I think it looks super good. But if you guys do want this band for yourselves, it will set you back about $200. So it is not exactly cheap, but you know, it's a cool band. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of it, especially if you've tried the magnetic Milanese loop before. I'm curious what you guys think. And if you did enjoy this video, definitely don't forget to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. And down in the description of this video, I will have a link to my playlist of all the different Apple Watch Ultra bands that I've unboxed on this YouTube channel, so you can go check that out if you are in the market for your own. But anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.